Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to download offline maps in Google Maps. There are two methods for this. The first one is quick download. Search for a city or area in Google Maps and pull up the bottom menu until it covers the map. Tap the three-dot menu and select Download Offline Map. Adjust the zoom to fit in desired area and check the storage size at the bottom, then tap Download. For the second method, tap your profile picture in the Google Maps interface, select Offline Maps, then tap Select Your Own Map. Choose the area you need to tap download. Tip: you can update or delete offline maps from the Offline Maps menu. Now you'll never get lost, even without internet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.